to insert a micro SD card in your Nintendo Switch Lite. Make sure it is power off because you will need to power it off anyway. So you see the door just right here. Open it up and see the direction in which the display show it. Insert the SD card in the same way. Just like that. Once inserted, you can start your Nintendo Switch. And there we go. Job is done. If you go on System Settings into Data Management, you should see your SD card just right here. If there's stuff already on it and you want to format it, so erase everything on it, you can go on System. Then at the very last option, there is Formatting option, and you can go down to Format Micro SD card. So hit Continue. And yes, this will delete everything. That's the meaning of format, or the definition. And there you go. Now the console will restart, and we should see the data at 0. Or almost. So, I hope this was helpful.